Last time on Madcat sailing we had difficulty escaping Harwich. Follow us this week as we navigate our way to Ramsgate. Get in! Good morning, world! Woohoo! We've passed the storm, haven't we, Dave? We've passed the storm. Thank God for that. I thought it was never going to end. It's about 2 o'clock in the morning here, and finally the wind's calmed down, so we're going to now head out to sea, aren't we, Davey? Yeah. What's that, Davey? Don't tell him. I think I'm going to tell him, Davey. Well, we've been sat out here in storms. We've had a few card games as you do pass the time, and last night decided to order a takeaway, and yeah, Davey decided to go for the Vindaloo extra hot, and a bit embarrassing, weren't it, Davey? Don't be shy, you let it all out last night, didn't you? Yeah, it went straight through him. Oh, mess, right messy were. Yeah, you won't be ordering that again, will you? He's alright now though, he's a bit happier this morning. He's bunged himself up a bit. We'll keep you off the curries. But yeah, I'll catch you all soon. Go head down to Ramsgate today, and hopefully we'll make a bit of progress, fingers crossed. Absolutely buzzing now. Bit early at morning, not used to being awake at this time. I'm not normally a morning person, but yeah, looking forward to it. Catch you all in a bit. Might not be able to see anything, so I'll make a bit of noise. I'm heading out to sea. I might get away for about 2:45 in the morning. It's going to get slightly rough when I get out of the front. As the old saying goes, as ships pass in the night. Well, gotta say, absolutely frustrated. It's 5 o'clock in the morning here, just coming live. I got to the mouth of the river Harwich, even, and seemed to bad weather just come in as I got to the mouth of it, and it was just nightmare. Couldn't see where the waves were coming from, and they seemed to pick up really steep. Trouble is, because it's quite a deep channel for the big ships coming in, so as you approach this channel, everything's coming in down this deep channel from the seafront there, and it's like a roller coaster. It's horrible. I can't explain it, it's horrible. And even worse in the dark, because you can't see which wave's going to hit you next, how far apart the waves are or anything. It's absolute nightmare. But I'm going to give it a little while now, just see what happens with these clouds at the back of it. It's quite dark again. If it passes quick enough, I might give it another go, because it's quite settled again now. But the look I'm having at the minute, as soon as I get to that mouth of that river there, it's just going to turn. It's absolutely going to turn, I guarantee it. I'm just frustrated because I've planned all this time to get to this point, and I'm just stopped by the weather. Absolutely gutted. Hey ho. Onwards and upwards. Going for it again. Fingers crossed. Going out on a slack tide at the minute, so hopefully I'm not saying anything bad. So I'm going for it. It's very wet. morning. It's now Tuesday. Not sure what time it is. I'm still shattered. I was up at about 3 in the morning and to travel out of Harwich yesterday. And as I was leaving, the weather was still heavy seas as I left, so I returned back to my mooring buoy and decided to try it an hour or two later, following several other boats out of the River Orwell. And got out there. Weren't too bad to begin with. As the day went on, it turned into a very eventful day. The sea state started getting rough. Gotta say, it must have been up there around 25 mile plus an hour winds for most of the day. So sea state were rough. And I decided to try this app on my phone. It's called RYA Safe Tracks. Now, I'm sorry, Safe Tracks, you've got to do something a little bit better than an app on a phone. The app on the phone is only as good as the signal on the phone. I decided to use it so my family could see I was safe and they could keep track of me as I'm travelling from Ipswich to Ramsgate. And as I've got out there, I've put my time in, set my own alarm on my phone so I know just to check it before it runs out of time for my trip for a certain point in. And picked out my phone to reset the journey time to allow my family to know that I'm still safe and I'm going to carry on a bit further. Now, when I looked at my phone, they had no service. It wouldn't let me end the trip, obviously, because there's no service. So this then ends up sending an alert to my family to let them know that something's happened to me, which, yeah, it's a good thing, but it's also a bad thing because nothing's happened to me. And I can't send them a message because my phone signal's out of reach. And then one thing I should have done is contacted the Coast Guard really and notified them that my family may be in contact and to let them know that I'm still okay. That's a big bad thing on my part, which is fair enough, should have done that. So I carried on waiting, hoping that I'm going to get a signal within the next hour or so on my phone. So I carried on my journey, kept checking my phone for a signal, hoping to contact my family at this point, and the signal never arrived. What did arrive was a sea rescue multi-hull ship at the side of me, with a guy shouting overboard, "You've gone missing, you've been reported missing." I'm like, no, my worst nightmare. I'm not missing, I'm fine, I'm doing fine. I'm concentrating on getting through rough seas where the sea state's gotta be about 4 metres. 4 metres high waves, winds blowing at you, tides against you, everything's against you. And it took me from 7 o'clock up until about 2:30 this morning, I think, off the top of my head. I was shattered. Got into Ramsgate Marina and I've literally just slapped my boat together. Everything's all over the shore. Not even tidy up proper. I was that's shattered and exhausted, thinking, well, my family's worrying about me. I can't contact them and I've got to get back in, so I just rushed down here. I had my motor on all night. And as soon as I got back close to the coastline, got a signal and rang my family up to say, nope, I'm fine, still doing good, sea state's rough, and it's middle of the night, can't see which way the waves are coming, and the wind's strong. I'll be fine, I'll be back, I'll be in Ramsgate very, very soon. And here I am, I'm in Ramsgate, tired, in a bit of a mess with my boat, so I think this morning I'm going to chillax a bit, gather my thoughts, freshen up because I need a shower, clean clothes, and yeah, regroup I think. So yeah, more soon guys. Catch us next time on Madcat Sailing. We've finally arrived at Ramsgate. Get in! Before you go guys, don't forget hit the subscribe button. Things can only get better.
So shaking through my car, left me in the cold. Chained to what I know, drifter on the road, take it where I go. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my pace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go, floating on the waves. Bottoms up.